You're the demo guy? Grab a sledge. Whole thing comes down today.
I built this place.
Oh, dog. Orange is actually your color.
Pup, sit down. That man out there is just the help. Wolf is building you a playground right there. Brand new swings, a big slide. Isn't that exciting?
Almost done.
Clean work, dog. You're better at destroying things than building them. I'm putting a slide right where your swings were. Real ones this time. Pup's gonna love it.
You took Dad's house. I'm gonna take everything you have, Wolf.